Which way do you want to go? Left lead. The rolling bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Great! We all love your train set. Pick any toy you like. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. That's the way! That was off the rails! Which toy will you choose now? Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Where to now? Left leads. Left leads to the haunted castle. Right. Right leads to the tunnel is nearby. Left leads to... Left leads to... We're almost at the town square. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to... Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Forward leads to... Knapford Station's just ahead. What type of wagon should we pull? That's the way! Excellent! Just drag a wagon to one. Excellent! Awesome! That's perfect!